Hello everyone, I'm Blessing Adesiji, a developer advocate here at Circle. Let's continue looking at underlying concepts to help understand programmable wallets. We will examine the primitives of programmable wallets. In our case, these primitives are building blocks that provide functionality for programmable wallets. There are four main primitives. We have users, wallet sets, wallets, and transactions. Let's talk more about each types of primitives. Users. Starting with users, in the previous section, we discussed user-controlled wallets and emphasized that they empower your application's users by giving them complete control over their wallet. In the context of programmable wallets, users refer to end users of your application. They form the first crucial component of programmable wallets. When a user creates an account, for example, an account on a decentralized platform, they are provided with a unique user ID. This user ID is associated with the user's wallet, token, and transactions. The next primitive to talk about is wallet set. Wallet sets play a crucial role in managing and organizing wallets within programmable wallet ecosystem. A wallet set is a collection of wallets that are created and managed using a unique cryptographic private key. To enhance the management experience across supported blockchains, wallet set utilizes the HD, which is known as hierarchical deterministic wallet setting. Wallet sets have some key attributes. Let's talk about them. Number one, what they contain. A wallet set can contain one or multiple wallets. Think of it as a container that holds and manages multiple wallets. The next attribute to talk about is multi-blockchain support. Wallet sets can have wallets with addresses on multiple blockchains, specifically on EVM chains, which is known as Ethereum Virtual Machine. A wallet set can have wallets on different chains that share the same address. This allows for flexibility in managing wallets across different blockchain networks. The next attribute is custody type. This basically means, is it a user-controlled wallet or developer-controlled wallet? Each type of wallet set is associated with a custody type. This attribute helps distinguish whether the custody of the wallet within the set is controlled by the developer or the user. However, it is important to note that a wallet set can only have wallets with a single custody type. This means you can have either developer-controlled wallet or user-controlled wallet within a wallet set, but not both. Now that we understand the concept of wallet set, let's dive into wallets. In the context of programmable wallet, a wallet serves as a tool for storing a user's private keys. This grants access to their tokens, including non-fungible tokens known as NFTs. Each wallet is identified by a unique identifier that combines an address and its metadata. It is important to note that this information is stored on a blockchain. Let's talk about the key attributes for wallet. The first is address. A wallet has an address on a blockchain. It is worth mentioning that multiple wallets can share the same address but exist on a different EVM blockchain. Custody type is the next attribute to talk about. Just like in the wallet set discussion, each wallet is associated with a custody type denoted as custody type. This attribute determines whether the custody of the wallet is controlled by the developer or the user. If you have trouble understanding this, please refer to our section where we explain the difference between user-controlled and developer-controlled. A few points to note before we stop talking about wallets. You can create a user-controlled wallet directly from the API and SDK without creating the wallet set first. The newly created user-controlled wallet will be paired with a unique wallet set. On the other hand, developer wallet must be created from a specific wallet set using our available API with SDK that may be available now as you are watching this video. The last primitive to talk about is transactions. Transactions are fundamental aspects representing token transfers, both inbound and outbound within a blockchain wallet. Let's break this down and talk about the key concepts related to transactions. The first that I would like to explain is known as operation field. A transaction includes an operation field that defines the purpose of the transfer. There are two main types of operations. The first, transfer operations. So transfer operations, as indicated by the operation field value of transfer, involve the transfer of tokens to an externally owned account that acts as the recipient. The next operation is known as execute. Execution operations indicated by the operation feed value of contract execution pertain to invoking the behavior of a smart contract. In this case, the destination address represents the contract address. Let's talk about transaction state. Transactions have metadata associated with them, reflecting their current state. Upon creation, Circle monitors the transaction on their respective networks, capturing the state information. Of course, the state that we're all trying to get to is the complete state, which means the transaction has been performed successfully. See this table shown on the screen that describes the possible state of a transaction. This table helps you understand the possible state of a particular transaction and help you to stay on top of each process. Note that there are certain actions that can only be taken when a transaction is in a specific state. For example, to cancel a transaction, this is only possible when a transaction is in the initiated, queued, or sent states. To accelerate a transaction is only possible when the transaction is in the sent state. The last characteristics to talk about is asynchronous processing. API entities, including transactions and challenges, are processed asynchronously once the initial post request is made. This means that their completion occurs independently from the request, allowing for specific handling of multiple transactions simultaneously. We've talked about a lot of concepts. Visit our developer documentation for more information on how to track the progress of transaction. It is really important to understand that. So that's it for this video. In this video, we covered programmable wallet primitives, users, wallet set, wallets, and transactions. My name is Blessing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.